This woman sued her worker for $2 million over an injury she claimed happened on a construction site. But when the judge saw the truth, justice was finally served.
So this nail went into your eye?
Yes, Your Honor.
This was sticking in your head?
That was what the surgeon pulled out of my skull.
That's your head, Miss McGuire?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Brooks, you see this is pretty bad stuff. This is a bad injury, right?
Well, Your Honor, we had an agreement to meet at her garage.
You did?
At 1:30.
Now, she never mentioned a time. How are you so sure?
I have text messages here, Your Honor.
So you all had an agreement to meet at 1:30.
Yeah, and she actually showed up early.
I'm looking at what you've submitted to this court. This text message that says, and I guess you're in the blue, it says, hey, things are coming along. When are you coming home? Question mark.
Yes, sir.
And then in the gray, Miss McGuire, it says, my flight lands tomorrow at noon. I take it that's you. You remember this, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then in the blue, you, Mr. Brooks, you say, perfect. Meet me in front of the garage at 1:30.
1:30.
And then Miss McGuire, you say,
1:30.
great. See you there. You understood y'all were going to meet at 1:30.
Yes, Your Honor.
Take me through how this was going to happen.
We're going to go over the notes. I'm sure that we've made the changes that she wanted to make. And then we were going to go into the construction area, safely into, so I can navigate her through if she would have only waited.
I arrived maybe 5 minutes early. I didn't know that I needed to be guided through the house. That's the point that I'm trying to make. He says, let me get through what I'm talking about, Mr. Brooks. He told me to meet him there at 1:30. I get there. He's not at the garage. I expect maybe he has already gone inside.
It's not 1:30.
But there was no car there, right?
For him.
His car wasn't there.
I don't know what kind of car he drove.
So you don't take any responsibility for your injury?
I do not take any responsibility for my injuries.
Okay. Mr. Brooks, you tried to do what was responsible. You told her what time to be there. You told her to wait for you at the garage so you could walk through and escort her past the danger. Miss McGuire, I find that you have proven that Mr. Brooks was wrong and that his wrong caused your injury. However, the evidence shows that he wasn't wrong by himself. You were wrong also. I'm only going to award 51% of what you are requesting from this court. So I find in your favor and against Mr. Brooks in the amount of $1,020,000, and that is my final verdict.